Good morning, everyone. It's Plumber Mike. It is, I think, Monday. I think it's Monday. It's Monday, April 13th. Hope everyone in the YouTube world is well, staying safe. If you're not an essential worker, I hope you're not roaming and you're staying home. Don't roam, stay at home. Oh man, it's been pretty rough. You know, we're based in New York. Our office is in Valley Stream on Long Island. And we're still staying busy, thank God. Anyway, look how dead the roads are, by the way. This is so eerie, by the way. This is crazy. It's crazy. It's so dead out there. But anyway, I am on my way to a no heat call. It's a new client, also in Valley Stream. They have no heat. They got a boiler. She thinks it's a thermostat. That's what she thinks. I already had her, check the obvious, like is the boiler switch on top of the stairs? Is the switch on the boiler on? Do you see a pilot? So, yeah, I'm going out there, check it out, see what's going on, and I'll try to take some video while I'm there. And yeah, real quick, I was checking out the YouTube channel. We have now over 900 subscribers now. Wow, I'm so thankful for all of you guys supporting the channel. But I was looking at, there's a lot of analytics, a lot of data they give you on YouTube, the dashboard. And what I was looking at, the people who watch the videos, and this is like amazing to me. The people who watch the videos, 90% are not subscribers, and only like 10% are. And when I got videos, that have a couple hundred views or a couple thousand views, it's like, wow, if you guys, everyone who watched the video and they kind of liked it, and if they subscribed, wow, the channel would be taking off. So if you haven't subscribed already, please try to support the channel. Support us by subscribing to the channel, and if that works out good for you, you like what you see, hit that notification bell, and you'll get post notifications when I upload videos. So, a way to help us out. I'd really appreciate it. And as always, if you have any questions, you can message us, or you can comment in the comment section down below each video. So stay tuned, guys. I'll take some video and talk to you soon. Be well, be safe. God bless. All right, working on this Burnham Series 205. This one's from 2006. 130,000 BTUs, 2-zone valve, gas-fired boiler, atmospheric. Service call this morning was no heat. When I got to the boiler, the guard dog lowered a cutoff, the RP24. Was making this humming sound. Well, now it's in the bucket. Humming, but the green light was on. And checked everything out. I had 24 volts, ironically, to the gas valve. Yep, 24 volts in between the yellow and the black. So, put the new gas valve in, replaced the RB24 with the new harness, and we're good to go. Pretty simple. AutoStat, we checked that. It's set to 180. We're gonna let this thing cycle. She's cooking with gas. She's cooking with gas. And we get to throw our sticker on there. Docks Mechanical. Push down on the reset button. Red light comes on, boiler stops firing.